Hi there, it's Grant here and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to talk about a couple of things, but the main thing I want to talk about is the incredible results that Larry and his team behind One Ticker Trader have achieved with all of their trade recommendations they have made over the past 5 months since they launched the service. I'm not going to reveal the results in a minute. I'm just going to reveal them in a bit after talking a little bit about One Ticker Trader. But the results they've achieved are quite staggering, and they're really impressive because I think a lot of people are very skeptical about, when they see adverts for One Ticker Trader, because I'm sure you've maybe seen them before, and other services like this, where the promise of huge gains. But Larry and I've been watching One Ticker Trader very closely over the past 5 months, and their system and their calls for all of their trade picks have been very, very impressive. So I'll talk about the results at the end of the video, but what I'm going to do is just talk a little bit about what One Ticker Trader is and their trading methodology and sort of my thoughts on One Ticker Trader. So what is One Ticker Trader? So basically, One Ticker Trader is run by Larry Benedicts, who's one of the world's leading options experts. He's had a 30-year trading career, and now he's the CEO of One Ticker Trader, and he's got a strong team behind him where basically they research all of their options trade recommendations that they put out to their customers of One Ticker Trader. Now, the trading methodology that they follow is something called options trading. And if you don't know what options trading, in its most simplistic sort of way I can explain it, with options trading, you're using options contracts or glorified contracts to control a stock at a set price for a set period of time. And you're taking these trade outs, obviously, to make a profit. Now, for the majority of the time, you'll never exercise the option to actually buy the underlying stock that you're controlling with the options contract. The majority of options traders, what they do is they buy an options contract. They basically trade the contracts to make a profit on the contracts by buying and selling them. You want to buy the options contract at a lower price and sell it at the higher price. And the price you pay for an options contract is something called the premium. So you pay a premium to open an options contract, and when you sell it, you collect your profits in premium as well. And another thing to understand, a standard options contract, just one contract, controls 100 shares. The set price in the options contract is called the strike price, and the price you pay is called the premium. And all options contract will have an expiration date when the option is set to expire. And the whole point of an options contract is that you're taking a bet out on a stock, that a stock is going to move in a direction. Another thing you need to know about options is you can make a profit on an options trade, whether the stock rises or falls. If you expect the stock price to rise, you'll buy a call contract. If you expect the stock price of a stock to fall, you'll take out a put options contract. So there's only really 2 options you can trade, a call option and a put option, depending on which way the market is going to move. And that is the basics of options trading. Now, this service, One Ticker Trader, launched last August. And I've been watching their progress very, very carefully. I've really wanted to learn options slowly. I've dabbled a little bit in some of the trades, but I haven't gone all in yet. But I've been so impressed by performance of Larry and his team with One Ticker Trader. I've decided in 2023 that I'm going to try and do as many of Larry's trades as possible, because I've seen enough now that I'm highly impressed. And over the next 12 months, I think I'll make a fairly decent profit on all of the trade recommendations. Now, that brings me on to the performance. Since One Ticker Trader has launched, Larry and his team are on 11 trade winning run. So all of the 11 trades I've recommended, they've all made a profit, or they've all returned a profit. And the cumulative cumulative gain, sorry, need to put my teeth in, cumulative gain over this period is 171%, which is highly impressive, very, very impressive. So you'd have, nearly more than doubled your money if you'd have started in April and followed all of Larry's trades. Very, very impressive. So 11 trade winning run and 171 cumulative gains since last August. Extremely impressive. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean their winning trade run's going to go on forever. There's always going to be some trades that aren't going to turn a profit, but that's just nature of the trading game. But I've seen enough now that they're good enough at seeing when a stock's going to move and recommending a trade based on that they're going to put out more winning trades than they're going to lose. And the idea really of one ticker trader and Larry's system, the one ticker retirement blueprint, which he uses to trade options, is all about placing very small, low risk option trades that are going to produce small profits, like a 20% profit here, 30% profit there. You might get the odd, 50%, 100% return on a trade, but it's all about the small profits, but doing quite a lot of them, getting in and out of a trade as quickly as possible, collecting a small gain and rinsing and repeating when there's going to be a move on the underlying stock. So basically, Larry's trades are generally pretty risk-free. Or risk-free is the wrong thing. There's always going to be risk, but they're lower risk trades. Because we're not, then Larry's not recommending a humdinger of a stock that's highly risky, that's got little chance of success. All Larry's trades have got a pretty high, level of success rate when he gives them out. It's all about collecting small profits regularly during a monthly period and taking one big trade, betting it all and not making it. So that is really the strategy. Lots of small winning trades that will add up over a period of time. And really, one ticker trader's big idea is all about slowly growing wealth through options trading. Now, this isn't really a service where you can sort of quit your job and become a full-time trader. It's more about helping people to grow their savings, grow their wealth gradually over time in the safest manner possible. But please understand that there's always going to be risk involved when trading. Nothing is guaranteed when you're trading, whether it's options trading, crypto, or anything else. So, I'm not saying you're never going to lose, it's risk-free, because that isn't true. So there's always going to be risk, but I'm very, very impressed with Larry's winning run with 11 straight winning trades and a total 171% cumulative gains since last August. So I'm just going to show you very quickly round one ticker trader before I go. So this is the issues and updates page where you get a monthly newsletter, but more importantly, this is where it all happens, because this is where you're going to get the trade alerts to buy the stocks with the options trades, and these are the sell alerts where you get sell. So whenever there's a buy alert for a new trade, you'll see it here. Whenever there's a sell alert, you'll see it under the issues and updates. This is kind of like the heart of the program, because you've got these two very important reports here. You've got Larry's Guide to Options, which gives you basically a rundown of how options trading works, and this is the strategy of how Larry trades options, the one ticker retirement blueprint, or one ticker retirement plan, sorry. You got the portfolio with all of the stocks that are being traded, and then you got a video section here which shows you how to place an options trade using their recommended options trading app, Think or Swim, both in mobile and desktop. So basically that is really the one ticker trader service, but the main thing I wanted to talk about is their performance, their 11 trade winning run and 171% cumulative gains over the past 5 or so months. Very impressive. So if you're thinking of getting into options trading or trading this year, you will not, I don't think there's really much better than one ticker trader, because it's very friendly or very user friendly for beginners. You don't need to understand options really to get going. You just basically need to understand the basics and just understand the format of how to trade options, and then you can get going. So yeah. Oh, the other thing I need to let you know, you are going to need a budget in order to place the trades. You're going to need probably a minimum of $600 to $700, but ideally $1,000 to play with in order to place the trades. Your trades are going to be anywhere from $300 to place an options trade up to $700. So you are going to need a budget. If you're absolutely broke, you've only got $50 in your bank account, then one ticket trader isn't for you at this time. But if you've got $1,000 and you want to give it a try, then that's more than enough to get started with Larry's program and start placing his options trades. So if you've heard enough and you think, yeah, that sounds good, and you really want to start 2023 with a bang and really get into options trading, why not join One Ticket Trader? I highly recommend it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below where you can join One Ticket Trader for just $19. With that, you get a 60-day money back guarantee, and for that $19, you'll lock your membership in for your whole year. So why not give it a try? You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. And like I say, I've been really studying One Ticket Trader closely over the past 5 months, but I've seen enough now to know that the quality of the trades they put out is second to none. They're on an 11 trade winning run and return 171% for their clients in that time. So enough said. So I think 2023 is going to be another good year for One Ticket Trader based on all of their trades. So if you want to join, I'll put a link below. Get started today for $19. Lock your membership in for a year. You get 2 months to try it for free. Why not give it a go and try it for yourself? Couldn't recommend it high enough. Also, in the 4 acts of honesty and transparency, if you do buy One Ticket Trader, in the link below, I do get a commission for it. That commission just helps me to keep my channel going. And just helps me to run the channel. So I really hope you found the video useful and informative. If you like the video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to more content like this? And all I'll say now is I hope you have a great 2023. Hope you enjoy your options trading. Why not give One Ticket Trader a try? But whatever you do, have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.